So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have Rajesh Singh. He's 56 years age and from Delhi. And the challenges he has reversed is he was having lower back pain due to long sitting hours from last 5 years and a lot of pain, but there's no pain now. He has stomach related issues, indigestion, severe constipation, weak digestive system since 15 years, right? Currently, he's absolutely fine. Did not take any medicines, was just doing yoga and exercises, but the suffering was there. Other improvements, sleep is better, better is digestion, better energy, no anxiety levels, and no overthinking. So over to you, Rajesh. How has been your journey with Go Nature and Shikha? If you can please unmute yourself. Ji.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, Madam Shikha, Madam. Yeah, my voice is clear?
Hanji, yes.
Okay. So it has been very good journey. Actually, I had pain in my lower back, stomach, right side, just beside navel, and it has been cured completely.
Wow.
Now the second issue was constipation, that has also been cured. So earlier when I was doing this one, then after 1 week, it has been cured 80%.
In 1 week?
In 1 week.
15 years old problem, in 1 week it was 80% improved.
80% cured. But after, when I shifted from Delhi to Noida, then actually the most important thing that helped me in this process was walking on the green grass early in the morning.
Right.
So it automatically 99% what the problem has been solved.
Beautiful.
Early in the morning, I started walking in the green grass. Earlier, I was staying in Delhi, but there was no facility on walking on the green grass. So just I was walking on the ground, but it did not help me as much as it helped me on walking on the green grass. So right now, I feel 99.99% completely healed. And hopefully it will be recovered the remaining one if I continue the 100%. Same process. Yeah.
100%. So बहुत मुबारक हो आपको राजेश जी. So let's come to your angel coach Shikha. Shikha, how has been the journey? Fantastic. चौके छक्के मार दिया आपने तो एकदम out of the ground. So over to you. जी.
Good evening, everyone. Sir, this is first of all, I would say thank you to you having faith in me and giving me this opportunity to heal the people because they are suffering with the medicines now, not without them. So Rajesh ji के साथ journey बहुत अच्छी थी. He was a very subtle, very बहुत शांत वाले इंसान है ये. और सर सबसे मुझे तब से शुरू में जब इनकी केस स्टडी ली पता चला इनकी वाइफ नहीं है.
I'm so sorry.
Died of breast cancer. अभी और still he did it very nicely. एक मैंने उनसे कहा आपकी कौन हेल्प करेगा बनाने में करने में, बोला I will do it myself. He live with his son, he and his son both वो उनका भी खाना बनाते हैं, अपना भी अलग करते हैं. His son goes to office, वो उनका भी करते हैं. That was amazing. That really touched me. That really gave me goosebumps कि a father can do so much. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि mothers ही करती हैं, father also can. मतलब उनकी family को भी पूरा देखा और अपनी पे केयर करी पूरा. और पूरा अपने आप को डिजीज फ्री करा और बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से करा. एवरीथिंग ही फॉलोड. इन्होंने कोई फ्रीजिंग नहीं लिया, कुछ नहीं लिया. बहुत अच्छी सारी डाइट, सब चीजें जो बोला गया, ही डिड इट वेरी नाइसली. थैंक यू राजेश जी, थैंक यू फॉर आपने करा. हमारा फेथ, हमारी गो नेचर को आपने समझा और आपने उसको आगे बढ़ाया, नेचुरोपैथी को. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
ब्यूटीफुल. थैंक यू राजेश जी. आप ऐसे ही हमेशा हेल्दी रहें, यही कामना करेंगे, राइट? सो एवरीबॉडी जस्ट टाइप MPTY फॉर Rajesh Singh and Shikha Modi. Beautiful case study. Amazing.